What you're looking at isn't just a supercar. It's a legend brought back to life. This 2026 Aston Martin DBS Superleggera arrived tired, dusty, and far from its former glory. But today, we're giving it a full makeover interior, exterior, an engine revival. Stay until the end to see the unbelievable transformation. At first glance, the paint had swirl marks and dull spots. The wheels were covered in brake dust, the cabin leather looked dry, and the engine bay needed serious attention. This wasn't damage, it was neglect. And that's exactly what we're here to fix. We start with a deep foam wash to safely remove dirt and contaminants. Next comes a clay bar treatment to eliminate embedded surface impurities. Then, a multi-stage paint correction process begins. Polishing compounds carefully remove swirl marks and restore depth to the gloss. The carbon fiber elements are refined. The wheels are fully detailed, brake calipers cleaned and protected. Finally, a ceramic coating is applied, giving this DBS the mirror-like showroom shine. Now the exterior looks aggressive, sharp, and truly magnificent again. Inside the cabin, the transformation continues. Premium leather seats are gently deep cleaned and conditioned to restore softness and rich color. Carbon fiber trims are polished. The Alcantara headliner is carefully refreshed. Digital displays are cleaned and recalibrated. Every button, vent, and stitch is restored to perfection. The cockpit now feels brand new. Luxury meets performance once again. Now for the heart of the beast. Under the hood sits a powerful twin-turbo V12. The engine bay is carefully degreased using safe detailing products. Electrical connections are inspected. Hoses and belts checked. Fluids refreshed. Every component is cleaned without harming sensitive electronics. And then to the moment of truth. The engine roars back to life, smooth, aggressive, unmistakably Aston Martin. From dull and neglected to flawless and dominant, the 2026 Aston Martin DBS Superleggera stands reborn. Deep metallic shine, luxury handcrafted interior, and a V12 that sounds absolutely brutal. This isn't just a makeover, it's a resurrection. Would you drive this restored masterpiece or keep it in your private collection? Comment below, like the video, and subscribe for more extreme luxury car transformations.